How to create Commonwealth Bank online account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Commonwealth Bank online account. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in combank.com.au. This is the official URL of Commonwealth Bank. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Commonwealth Bank. Once you reach to this page, here you can scroll down and select one of these accounts under the banking section. Once you select one of these accounts, now inside here, you will need to select the type of the account you would like to create. Whether you want to create everyday account or saving account. Choose one based on your preference. By doing so, now you will be taken to this page. Here you can scroll down and find the one that you would like to create. Once you get one, click on the Open Now button at the bottom to select them. Once after selecting, you'll be able to see this pop-up. Here, if you are already a customer banking online user, then you can select this Open in Net Bank option. And if you are a new customer, then click on this Open Now at the right side. By doing so, now you will be taken to this page. Here click on Get Started button at the bottom left. Here you will need to go through this information, and once after doing that, click on the Get Started button at the bottom. Now here you will need to scroll down and select the options below. Here I am selecting single. Now you will need to select the title, click on it and select the title. Enter your first name in this field. If you have the middle name, you can enter it in this field. If not, directly enter your last name at the last text box. Once after doing that, click on the OK button right here. And then, here you will need to enter your email address. Once after entering your email address, in the next box, you will need to enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number and then click on this OK button. Here enter your date of birth and click on this OK button. And after that, enter your home address here. Once after entering your address, click on the OK button again to proceed. Now finally, you will be asked to create a strong password for your account. Enter your password in this field and enter the same password in the next box. Once after entering them, click on the OK button right here. And finally, here you will need to read all of these informations given here and then click on this Open Now button at the bottom left. After that, your application will be submitted. Once your application has been successfully submitted, now you will need to verify your identification. Click on this Continue to ID verification option at the bottom, and then you will need to provide necessary documents such as a password or driving license. Once after uploading it, you will receive a confirmation email once your account is approved. After entering your ID, click on this Continue button. Here answer these questions based on your preference. You can select any one of these documents, scroll down and click on the Continue button. Here click on this Yes button. Here select your document type and information regarding your document. Click on the Next button once done. After following all of these prompts, enter your expiration date and then click on this Next button. After entering all of these details, click on this Yes Details Match ID at the bottom right, and then you'll be able to verify your identity. Once verified, now you can submit your application and then you will receive a confirmation email once your account is approved. And after that, you'll be able to create an account on Commonwealth Bank. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.